Hello, chemistry maestros. Welcome to another exciting episode on Concepts and Solutions with Sabi Siddiqui. Today we're going to crack the code of chemistry. If the periodic table has been your nemesis or reactions your riddle, this video brings you 4 tips to help you ace chemistry. Our first segment is Understanding the Basics. Remember, chemistry is like constructing a building. It's all about the foundation. You must have a strong grasp of the fundamental concepts before venturing into complex topics. So tip number 1, master the fundamentals. From atomic structure to bonding to stoichiometry, a robust foundation paves the way for success. Moving on to our second segment, practice regularly. Chemistry isn't a spectator sport. It demands active participation. The more you practice, the more confident you become. So don't restrict yourself to theories. Implement them through experiments and problem solving. Here's tip number 2, engage in hands-on practice. Solve sample problems, conduct experiments, and get your hands dirty, both metaphorically and literally. Our third segment is visual aids and mnemonics. Visual aids can be your secret weapon in mastering chemistry. Be it drawing molecular structures using charts or crafting catchy mnemonics, visualizing concepts can make them stick in your memory. So, tip number 3, visualize concepts. Develop mind maps, use flashcards, or transform complex formulas into memorable mnemonics. Our final segment is seek help when needed. Never hesitate to ask for help. Be it your teacher, classmates, or online resources, asking questions is a vital part of learning. So tip number 4, don't shy away from asking questions. There's no shame in seeking clarification. Understanding is the key to improvement. In a nutshell, fellow chemistry enthusiasts, these were the 4 tips to help you become a chemistry maestro. Master the fundamentals, practice regularly, visualize concepts, and never hesitate to ask questions. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more chemistry wisdom on Concepts and Solutions with Sabi Siddiqui. Remember, chemistry is all around us, and with a bit of practice and curiosity, you can master it. Until next time, happy experimenting.